Hey everybody, Tim Coates here with Adonis Detail, and today I want to show you how to remove and replace the turn signals, the amber signals on your 911. Now we do this often because when we're wrapping or doing a paint protection film install, we like to wrap and tuck the edges in here. So I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to remove these. So first, what you're going to do is push back on the turn signal. There's a little bit of a spring that's keeping this in place. So if you push back on it and tilt out, it'll slide right out. So let me show you what that looks like. Make sure your hands are dry so you have some friction, and you're just going to gently push back and lift up on the front, and it's going to come loose just like this. You're going to take, there's a connector on the inside, you're going to press down and remove the connector. You want to make sure that it's away from the car so you don't bang into the car. I'm going to show you what that little spring looks like. So that's what you're pushing back and then sliding out because the hook in the front there. You're going to take your amber signal to replace into the clear signal. You're going to take an OEM clear signal here. You want to make sure this is the right side. This is actually the wrong side. So here's the correct side of the clear signal. We're going to put the amber signal back in the box. And we're going to install it just like we removed it. We're going to put the connector in. Make sure that's latched. We're going to push back on the spring and slide the front in. And you have installed your turn signal. It's simply that easy. So once again, you push back on it, tilt out the front, slide it, disconnect it, and you're good to go. Porsche did a really awesome job designing these to make these really easy to remove without having to take any pieces off your car. So hope that was helpful, guys, and stay tuned for the next one.